Hello, everyone. Here is your guy, Betong. I'm just from school right now. I'm studying the Swedish language. You can see it's snowing today in Sweden, Gothenburg, Sweden. It's been a long time. I've not seen snow. Yeah, but I'm used to snow because I'm from Finland, so it's not something new. But you can see I've protected myself, so I don't get exposed to the cold. Today, I want us to talk about investing, being patient, cryptocurrency, like everything I talk about on my channel. I want to encourage you guys who are investing, who are into cryptocurrency. If say this is your first time in the industry, or you have been in the industry for some time now and you haven't been able to make money in the space, I want you to be patient because your time will come. This is not a race, it's timing. When you follow the right people, when you are connected with the right people, your time will come. You're gonna make it, no doubt. What you should avoid doing is FOMO into project that you don't understand. Make sure when you are buying anything, you understand what you're buying. Don't just buy because your friend say you should do so, or because the coin is pumping, or because you think that the coin will make you $100 million in the future. You should buy a coin because you understand that coin and you know that the fundamentals is good, is strong, and it has good technicals. And there are people or investors who love and are talking about the project. And also, you need to understand what problem the project is solving. If you don't understand what problem the project is solving, then it will be difficult for you to actually keep holding that project or keep buying like DCA that project long term. The idea with investing is that you are investing for the long term, not now. You can trade for the short term to buy your long term project, right? That means it's like you are working and making money daily to buy your, long term project. So you need a good plan. You need a good mentor. You need someone who have been in the industry for a long time, someone who can guide you throughout the process. Because guys, trust me, it's not easy. It's not easy. Like this is difficult. And every day you are faced with different challenges. You see this project go up, this project goes down, and you're like wondering if say the one that you are holding is good, is you know, or maybe you should sell it and buy something else. Just be patient, like exercise some patience. If say you are holding the baby Dogecoin, keep holding it. If say you are holding Floki Ino, keep holding it. If say you are holding Shiba Inu, keep holding it. Dogecoin, keep holding it. But you should hold it only if you understand the fundamentals, you follow the project, and you know what they are all about. Because if say you just hold it and maybe the project is dead, you wouldn't be able to know what is going on, and you would have bought something else that will take your portfolio to the next level. So what I'm actually saying here is, if say you must hold a project, then you should understand what you are holding. Don't just hold a project. I'm about to cross the road right now. Don't just hold a project because you want to hold that project. Hold the project because you understand what the project is all about, what it does. And the best thing you can do for yourself is actually understand how you can correlate this with Bitcoin. If say you are able to correlate this with Bitcoin, then it's going to be easy for you because Bitcoin moves and other altcoin moves. Because Bitcoin is the alpha in the industry, and when Bitcoin moves, it moves with these other projects. And if say you understand this project that moves alongside Bitcoin, then you can always make money, short and long term. Guys, I want you guys to understand something about this industry. The market is in green now because of the ETF news, because of adoption. BlackRock and other big financial institutions are interested to provide Bitcoin to their customers, and they want to do this in the form of ETF. At the same time, the SEC don't just want to allow BlackRock and all these big players to come and control Bitcoin, right, or crypto. So they want it to be regulated. in a way that everyone is going to benefit from the ETF. That's why it's taking some time. And as a result of this, the price of different coins out there are going to the upside. So Bitcoin is that catalyst. It gives that signal. And when Bitcoin gives that signal, you can see other altcoins follow the same trend. So if say you follow Bitcoin carefully, like diligently, and you look at other altcoins, you will see that there are other altcoins that are correlated with Bitcoin that moves alongside Bitcoin. So if you see Bitcoin moves about 30%, they are going to move about 60%. If you see Bitcoin move about 40%, they can 1x your investment in no time. So you want to have those coins in your portfolio. Then there are other coins that move after Bitcoin has moved. So Bitcoin will move first, and when Bitcoin is consolidating, these coins can move after that because money is going to flow from Bitcoin from the top, altcoins to the bottom, and this is based on value. So if say an investor is holding Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu haven't yet pumped, they have made money in Bitcoin, they will now convert that money to Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. And before you realize it, you see Dogecoin or Shiba Inu is pumping, right? And that's the kind of idea that most people don't have in the market. Because if say you have this idea, you know that okay, because Bitcoin has pumped, this other altcoin is gonna pump, sooner or later. You can then now sell your Bitcoin to buy this altcoin and make money short term. Then when that altcoin pump about 30%, 6%, 60%, you can then now sell your Bitcoin and buy that altcoin. So you can then now sell that altcoin and buy Bitcoin again. And you can keep doing that over and over. The reason you're doing this is because you want to accumulate more Bitcoin. Look, guys, let no one fool you in this industry. You can care so much about your altcoins. I don't care so much about it. But if you want to hedge against inflation, if you want to hedge against altcoins, if say you want to protect your investment, you need to keep buying Bitcoin every day. Each time you see an opportunity, you buy. And you have to learn how to mint Bitcoin. You mint Bitcoin by trading other altcoins. The more Bitcoin you have, the more leverage you have in the industry. The more Bitcoin you have, the more power you have in the future. Because Bitcoin, we're gonna see 1 million Bitcoin in the future. I mean, like Bitcoin gonna cost about 1 million in the future. So if say you're not building a portfolio to have Bitcoin, Ethereum, then I don't know. I mean, these 5 coins should be in your portfolio. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic, XRP. These are the coins that you should always have in your portfolio. I don't see any reason why you won't have those 5 coins. Now, let me explain why you should have those 5 coins in your portfolio. They have the most liquidity in the market. Like this top coin that I'm saying. If you have these 5 coins, like the major coins in the market, then now you understand like how money flows in the market. So when Bitcoin is moving, these altcoins are moving alongside with Bitcoin, right? And when these altcoins move, they move more than Bitcoin. So you are having asset in this coin, and when this coin pump already, you can then now look at the smaller cap. Guys, you can do this by swing trading. You don't have to do it in a form of like your day trading. You can swing trade this asset and mint more Bitcoin. So I don't want to take so much time. The purpose of this video is to encourage you. I believe in the future of crypto. I believe this is an industry that anyone out there, everyone out there, with the right mindset, with the right mentor, you can make it and be successful in the industry. So don't feel intimidated. Don't feel that you have missed out. Don't feel as if you are too late. You are still early. We haven't yet started yet. Bitcoin haven't yet gotten to 100,000 or 100K, right, per Bitcoin. Ethereum is just still at 2K. Solana, the future is bright. Imagine that we see a million we see one Bitcoin become 1 million or one Bitcoin cost 1 million in the future. You know how much your altcoins are gonna cost. You know how much you're gonna make if say you practice what I teach you guys every day. That is gonna be amazing. So when you are doing this, put in mind that this is not all about now. It's about the future. When you focus on the future, you can now start building that plan, build a proper strategy that can take you to that destination. Don't FOMO in, don't feel as if you must do this now. Take your time. If see you can grow your account 10% every week, 10% every month, then that's good. You are good to go. You are good to go. Don't fall for the trap of becoming rich instantly. No, there's no getting rich instantly. Yeah, gradually take your time, and you're gonna make it. Trust me. I've been in this industry for a long time now. When I came, I was like, okay, I'm gonna just become this millionaire like in no time. But here we are. I'm still like learning the process, still going through everything. Now I know how to play the game. I know what I must do. And what I must do is keep building my account every day, 10%, 5% every month, every year. I'm building wealth. I'm not just there because I want to be there. I'm there because I want to build wealth. And I want to take you guys along with me because this is a space where anyone can make it. And I want to take you guys alongside with me. I don't want you guys to feel left out. I want us to be in this together because I love you guys and I care so much about you. So um let's see how we can work together. So you guys have to take this easy. Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel as if you've missed out. Protect yourself. Keep learning every day. Learn new skills every day. Don't give up. I'm here with you. If you have any question, you can always comment. Always there to respond to you. And if you want to join my community, links are found below this video. Join my group. If you want someone to mentor you, you want someone to help you in portfolio management, go to this video. You'll find my link in this video and connect with me. I also have a free 15-minute time slot that I give to anyone out there who want to talk. So if you are interested, go to my link tree. It's easy to navigate most of the services that I provide you my link tree. If you want just 15 minutes with me, then yeah, I'm gonna have 50 minutes with me. We can talk and get to understand where you are, what you need, and see how I can help you in your journey in this space. If say you haven't yet subscribed to this platform, make sure you go right now and smash the subscribe button. It's free. It won't cost you anything. Do just that. And turn on the bell button so that each time I come out with a new video, you're going to be among the first to get. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.